Negotiating tactic?
He doesn't know anything about me. He doesn't know. I'm a smart guy. I'm not the kind of guy you're gonna say that, okay, I'm gonna sign it, I'm gonna fight for a peanut. No. I'm a smart person. It doesn't work, these things on me. But I'm gonna tell him something like today now. It's like, let me fight once. And you'll see in the first minute of the fight that what you just said is wrong.
So you do want to come back and fight and be the UFC champion again, though? Because it sounds like he's saying George doesn't want to be the champion anymore.
Let me fight Tyron Woodley, then we'll see if I want to be world champion again.
Yeah.
I understand what he means, and I'm not angry at Dana. He does what he does for the best of his interest. I do what I do for the best of my interest. And one day when all that's gonna be over, we'll probably be friends, like most of the guys that have fun.